Hi everyone, welcome back to Tip Time Thursday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I am going to be making a homemade weed killer to try to use on my patio because it's being infiltrated by weeds and I don't really want to kill my dogs in the process of killing weeds. So I'm going to be using Epsom salt, grease relieving dishwasher cleaner, and some cleaning vinegar. And I have here an empty cleaning bottle that I'm going to mix everything up in. And I'm going to use this to kill my weeds, and I have no idea if this works or not, so you guys are going to be with me on this as kind of an experiment. I'm going to add the Epsom salt to the bottle. I'm going to fill the bottle up with vinegar. This is white cleaning vinegar, not like apple cider vinegar that you eat. It's white cleaning vinegar. I'm trying not to spill. If you have a funnel, it might be easier. Add a little bit of grease relieving dishwashing soap to make it stick to the weed. So just a couple of squirts. Then I'm gonna put this on, shake it up, and we're gonna try squirting it on all my plants. So I'm gonna keep you informed as to whether or not this works. Hi everybody, I just wanted to give an update on my weed killer. I made a second batch this morning. So once again, it is white vinegar, Epsom salt, and a couple squirts of dishwashing soap. It is working. I've used it every day now for 5 days, and the weeds are slowly dying. It's not instantaneous. They are dying, and as they die, I just pull them out with my hands and take them out and throw them away. If you have a really large area, you should probably get a proper weed killer distributor, because I'm just doing a little tiny area, and squeezing this bottle over and over again is starting to bug me. But I'm now on my second batch, and all the ingredients I had at home, so this has really cost me nothing. It's white vinegar, Epsom salt, and a couple squirts of a grease removing dishwasher soap. So give it a try and see if it kills your weeds.